Hi, in this video, we will compare Surfer SEO and Junia AI. Both Surfer SEO and Junia AI are on-page SEO tools that help you optimize your website content to rank higher in search results. Surfer SEO is on-page SEO optimization and competitor analysis. If you prioritize in-depth competitor analysis, on-page SEO optimization, and data-driven content planning for higher rankings, then Surfer SEO is best. Junia AI is a writing and content creation tool that uses artificial intelligence to help users generate different kinds of content, optimize it for search engines, and maintain brand voice. On Surfer SEO, you can generate briefs with catchy headlines in seconds. Write and optimize content in any language. Ensure the authenticity of your article and avoid potential penalties. Surfer SEO also allows you to integrate with Google Docs, WordPress, Jasper, and more. Surfer SEO does not just generate articles, it also generates traffic. Surfer SEO gives you a 7-day free trial with each plan and starts at $89 per month. On the other hand, Junia AI can generate different kinds of content, including long-form blog posts, product descriptions, social media captions, and more. It can also rewrite existing content to improve clarity and engagement. The brand voice customization feature allows you to train Junia to mimic your specific writing style and tone, ensuring consistency across all your content. Junia AI offers a variety of pre-made templates for different content formats, making it easy to get started quickly. Junia AI can generate images to accompany your content. Junia AI also provides a free plan forever and starts at $19 per month. If you want to use both Surfer SEO and Junia AI for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.